Hello, welcome to the United States Navy Memorials, Stories of Service and Tales from the Navy Log Series. My name is Charlie Atkins. I'm a United States Navy veteran. I'm also historian for the USS Hector Association and presenter for the United States Navy Memorial. The story I'm about to introduce is about third class motor machinist mate John Howard Kunkel. Howard, as he went by, told me his primary goal for enlisting was that it was one less mouth to feed in a very poor household. It was Depression times and there was not much work or money at the time. He said he opted for the Navy because he liked their uniforms. He served aboard the USS Menifee APA 202. He trained and transported and went ashore at the invasion of Okinawa with the U.S. Marines. This is his story. Thank you for watching. I now invite you to read more about John Howard Kunkel within the Stories of Service series, Tales from the Navy Log, presented to you by the United States Navy Memorial and USS Hector Association.